Find the smallest integer n so that 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole to the power n is equal to 1. Here we have to find out the value of n. First write the equation, given equation 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole to the power n, that is equal to 1. To do this, first rationalize the denominator of the expression within the bracket, because we have to simplify this. So, or to rationalize the denominator, what should be done? 1 minus I, we should multiply numerator and denominator by complex conjugate of 1 minus I. Conjugate of 1 minus I is equal to 1 plus I, because conjugate of a plus ib is equal to a minus ib. So 1 plus I multiplying numerator by 1 plus I, what is in the denominator? 1 minus I into 1 plus I and whole to the power n, that is equal to 1. See, what will be numerator? 1 plus I into 1 plus I, that means 1 plus I whole square by a minus b into a plus b. That is formula. What is formula? A square minus b square. Here showing a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. But conversely, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a means 1 square, b means I square whole to the power n, that is equal to 1. Now reduce this again. 1 plus I whole square means 1 plus 2y plus I square as per formula of a plus b whole square. 1 square 1 minus I square is equal to minus 1. As known that I square is equal to minus 1, or root over minus 1 is equal to I, that is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2y to the power n, I square is equal to minus 1, 1 minus and minus plus 1 plus 1 whole to the power n is equal to 1. Now, or 1 will get cancelled, 2y by 1 plus 1 2 whole to the power n, that is equal to 1, or 2 will get cancelled, I to the power n is equal to 1. Now right hand side we will express I to the power something. Take help, we know I means root over minus 1 as per definition of imaginary number. So if we square both sides, I square is equal to, it will be minus 1. If we square both sides again, I square to the power square is equal to minus 1 whole to the power square, or I to the power 2 to the 4 is equal to minus 1 of whole square is equal to 1. So here what we can write? N is equal to 1 is equal to I to the power 4. Clear? Now see, there is a formula in the indices. What is that formula? A to the power x is equal to a to the power y. That means bases are equal. Implies that x is equal to y. We will apply this formula. I bases here I base, the bases are equal, so n is equal to 4. Therefore, as per question, find the smallest value of n. Here the smallest value of n is equal to 4. Therefore, the smallest value of n, smallest value of n is 4. If you are benefited by watching this video, you will share your friends for their benefit. Subscribe for getting notification whenever any video like this will be uploaded. Thank you.